Hey guys, this is Miss Lindo. This is Module 4, Lesson 29, and today our I can statement was, I can use and explain the totals below method using word, math drawings, and numbers. So today we learned a lot about the totals below method, and we're going to look at that right now. So tonight's must-do problems on the front are B and D. And so we'll go ahead and take a quick look at A together. And so I'm going to do this on the next slide so you can see 48 plus 27. So 48 plus 27. And what we talked about doing with the totals below is looking at like units. So the first thing we talked about doing was understanding that this 4 represents 4 tens or 40, and if you add like units, you would add the other tens, 2 tens. So 4 tens plus 2 tens, and we know that 4 tens plus 2 tens equals 6 tens, which is the same thing as 60. So we added the tens. Now we're going to add the ones. So since we're doing totals below, we're doing the totals for the tens place and the totals for the ones place. So we know that 8 plus 7 equals 15. So now when we go to solve, it's a more efficient way to solve the problem 48 plus 27. We know that 60 plus 15, that's pretty easy for us to solve that. That's 75. And so 48 plus 27 equals 75, and 60 plus 15 equals 75. So that's the example for totals below. And they've gone ahead and provided you the lines. And so yours looks like this. It has a line here, a line, and then the box is the total. So you're going to do that for both of those problems. And then we're going to take a quick look at the back. The next set of must-dos, and I believe these were the must-dos that I gave. If not, your child can just choose 2 to do, but I believe that I chose E and H. I apologize for that. So we'll go ahead and look at F together real fast. 149 plus 51. And so I'm going to show that to you and break that down. They're going to have lines for the hundreds, the tens, the ones, and then the sum or the total. So let's go ahead and look first at the hundreds. There's only 100, and that represents 100. We have 4 tens plus 5 tens, and we know that that equals 9 tens, or 90. And then 9 ones plus 1 one, and that equals 10. So that would be 191. That would be the answer for that. You also have the word problem to do at the bottom, so if you'll go ahead and do that, that would be wonderful. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.